Conversational AI has ushered in a new era with the introduction of ChatGPT-4, the latest installment in the GPT series developed by OpenAI. Building on the successes of its predecessors, ChatGPT-4 introduces an array of remarkable features that redefine the boundaries of human-like interaction. Through advancements in natural language processing, contextual understanding, and responsiveness, ChatGPT-4 is poised to revolutionize how we engage with AI-powered conversational systems. Let's delve into the exceptional attributes of ChatGPT-4 and explore its potential impact across various domains. Enhanced natural language understanding. One of the most remarkable features of ChatGPT-4 is its advanced natural language understanding capabilities. This model has undergone training on an extensive variety of texts, enabling it to comprehend and interpret user queries with exceptional accuracy. By leveraging advanced techniques like unsupervised pre-training and fine-tuning, ChatGPT-4 captures the intricacies of human language. It adeptly handles intricate sentence structures, idiomatic expressions, and contextual references, resulting in interactions that feel natural and intuitive. Furthermore, ChatGPT-4 exhibits an improved ability to grasp user intent, generating responses that are more pertinent and meaningful. It proficiently extracts key information from user inputs to offer precise answers and suggestions. Expanded knowledge base. To enrich its responses, ChatGPT-4 incorporates an extensively expanded knowledge base. OpenAI has meticulously curated information from diverse sources, including reputable websites, academic papers, and reliable references. This comprehensive knowledge base empowers ChatGPT-4 to provide accurate and up-to-date information across a wide spectrum of topics. Whether addressing historical events, scientific concepts, or current affairs, the model produces insightful and well-informed responses. OpenAI has also implemented a continuous learning mechanism, enabling ChatGPT-4 to stay abreast of the latest information. As new data emerges, the model adapts and integrates it into its knowledge base, ensuring users receive the most relevant and accurate information. Multimodal capabilities. A groundbreaking advancement in ChatGPT-4 is its multimodal capabilities, enabling it to process both text and images. This integration of visual and textual information enhances the model's comprehension, resulting in contextually appropriate responses. By incorporating images into conversations, ChatGPT-4 can effectively understand and respond to visual prompts. For instance, when queried about a specific landmark or object, the model can analyze associated images and provide comprehensive descriptions or additional information. Furthermore, ChatGPT-4's multimodal capabilities enable it to generate responses based on images. Users can input images, and the model can craft captions or even complete visual compositions based on image content and context. Improved contextual understanding. Building on its predecessor's contextual understanding, ChatGPT-4 excels in maintaining context during extended conversations. It retains information from previous exchanges, resulting in more coherent and meaningful interactions. Context windows are employed to capture and remember pertinent information, ensuring the model considers the conversation's history when generating responses. This feature significantly enhances conversational continuity and reduces instances of repetitive or irrelevant answers. Moreover, ChatGPT-4 exhibits refined contextual awareness even in ambiguous situations. By drawing from the broader context and leveraging conversational cues, it infers user intent more accurately, leading to nuanced and personalized responses. Enhanced control and customization. OpenAI has made significant strides in addressing concerns related to model behavior and control. ChatGPT-4 incorporates advanced tools that allow users to tailor the model's behavior according to their preferences. The model comes with default behavior settings that aim to be both useful and respectful. Users have the flexibility to customize these settings within defined boundaries to align with their desired outcomes. OpenAI provides guidelines and interfaces to ensure users can easily comprehend and implement customization options. Furthermore, a moderation tool has been integrated to prevent the generation of inappropriate or harmful content. This tool acts as an additional layer of control, enabling users and platform administrators to set content boundaries and ensure responsible usage of ChatGPT-4. Conclusion: ChatGPT-4 represents a groundbreaking achievement in conversational AI, introducing features that redefine the realms of natural language understanding and generation. Its enhanced capabilities in natural language understanding, expanded knowledge base, multimodal integration, improved contextual comprehension, and increased control and customization render it a potent tool across diverse applications. As OpenAI continues to refine and advance the GPT series, the future of conversational AI holds immense promise. ChatGPT-4 stands as evidence of the field's progress, setting the stage for even more sophisticated and intelligent conversational agents in the years ahead. With its impressive attributes and potential for customization, ChatGPT-4 holds great potential for transformative applications in industries spanning customer support, education, content generation, and beyond. Thank you for your attention, and if you'd like to access more content like this, be sure to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below.